What is stem cell research? Stem cell research is the area of research that studies the properties of stem cells and their potential use in medicine. Stem cells can be used for a majority of things due to the potential that they have. They can be used and transformed into the blood, organs, and also bones. The first type of stem cell is the embryonic stem cell. This type of stem cell comes from the embryos that are 3 to 5 days old. At this stage, the embryo is called blastocyst, and it has around 150 cells total. Embryonic stem cells. These types of cells come from embryos that are 3 to 5 days old. These cells come from eggs that were fertilized in fertilization clinics but never implanted into a woman's uterus, and all of these were donated with the consent from the donor.
Embryos created through in vitro fertilization. Once the egg is fertilized, it divides into a ball of cells. After 4 to 5 days, scientists remove the cells from the inner cell mass region. They are then transferred to a laboratory dish where they continue to grow and divide. By adding different growth factors, it's possible to change these embryonic stem cells into different cell types, such as nerve, bone, muscle, and pancreatic.
Adult cells and parental cells. Adult cells are found in small amounts in different areas, such as bone marrow and fat. Parental cells are found in the amniotic fluid and umbilical cord blood. The benefits of stem cells. First, to understand the benefits of stem cells, we have to understand the basic mechanisms of human development, increase understanding of how diseases occur. By watching stem cells mature into cells into bone, heart muscles, nerves, and other organs and tissues, researchers may gain a better understanding of how diseases and conditions develop. Tissue regeneration is the backbone of stem cell research. As tissues deteriorate and the organ function declines, either with age or from a disease or condition, cells in the organ or tissue begin to fail and die. A stem cell transplant would take those dead or non-functioning cells and replace them with healthy functioning cells, therefore not allowing a organ transplant to be done. Now that we better understand what stem cells are, we can understand what the process of stem cell therapy is. Stem cell therapy is essentially trying to do the same thing as an organ transplant, but organ transplants are in such short supply right now, so stem cell therapy is being used more and more. Stem cell therapy is essentially trying to do the same thing as an organ transplant. Organ transplants, however, are on such short supply right now, so stem cell therapy is being used more and more. A person with heart disease is going to have a specialized stem cell that they can be implanted into their heart and start replacing the dying the dying cells that are in their heart right now. The reason why stem cell research is ethically and politically controversial is because it involves the destruction of human embryos, which is a problem in many states across the country, and is why so many people have to go outside of the United States in order to receive this therapy, such as places like Panama and Mexico. Another big reason why people don't want the use of stem cell therapy in the United States is because they believe that women are going to be using their bodies and selling their so-called children to the scientists using them for stem cells.